How to use AutoCAD to make a woodworking marking gauge. A woodworking marking gauge. I will divide the woodworking marking gauge into 3 parts for drawing. The first part is wooden base. The second part is the joint section where the wood and the ruler are embedded. The third part is the ruler and blade section. Part 1. The wooden base. Start by drawing a 50 x 110 rectangle in the 2D view. Draw the two believed sides, a 5 x 50 bevel on the left, a 5 x 30 bevel on the right, and a 7 x 20 rectangle in the center. Turn the extra lines, then join all lines and region them into a surface. Adjust the view. Extrude 20 mm. Then perform a 3D rotate to the correct orientation. Then we finish the first part. Part 2. The embedded section, wood plus ruler. First draw a 6 x 8 rectangle in 2D. At 2 mm above the bottom, draw a 4 x 2 rectangle. At the top, draw a 2 x 2 bevel. Copy it, mirror it, and move the copied one to the other side. Draw a 1 x 8 rectangle and move it copied into position. Trim the extra line. Then join all lines and rejoin them into a surface. Adjust the view. Extrude 60 mm. Then perform a 3D rotate to the correct orientation. Next, draw a circle with a radius of 5 mm. Draw a line passing through the center. The extra lines. Then join a region into a surface. Extrude 8 mm. Move it into place. Now draw the side pivot. Start with the circle of radius 4.2 mm. Extrude 3 mm. Draw another circle of radius 0.5 mm. Extrude 1 mm. Begin the centers and union them. Next, draw a 30 mm line from the back end as an element reference. Move the pivot onto that reference point. Erase unnecessary lines. Union all three items together. Then move the part onto the wooden base. Important, do not union them. Then we finish the second part. Part 3. The ruler and blade section. Draw a 12 x 12 square. Extend 4 mm on the left side and add the bevel. Trim the extra lines. The joint Then join all lines and region them into a surface. Adjust the view, extrude 1 mm. Connect with 3 points shown in the video. Select them, then join all lines and region into a surface. Extrude to a suitable length. Use subtract on the 2 items. Select the larger piece first, then the smaller piece. The step creates the blade surface. Next, draw the ruler section. Directly draw a 12 times 4 rectangle. Extrude 150 mm. Move the 2 items together and union them. Then perform a 3D rotate to the correct orientation. Move it to the embedded position. Switch to conceptual visual style. "3D model display". Print and add dimension annotations.